everyone, namaste and very welcome back to another video. So today we are discussing about kitchen's utensils. And do you know your kitchen pots can affect your health and taste? So let's explore the world of cookware. Simple, safe and smart. So number one is earthen pots. Let's begin our traditional hero with our earthen pots. And they are made from clay and they are perfect for slow cooking. It spreads gently and keeping nutrients intact. It is ideal for wood fire and authentic traditional recipes. And number two, metal cookware. Metal cookware like aluminum, copper and iron is fast and cooks evenly. They are strong and easy to clean. But be mindful, rust or reacts with acidic foods. Number 3. Non-stick pans. They are great for oil cooking, but never heat them empty or too high. They can release harmful gases. Use them wisely. Number 4. Glass cookware. They look fancy but careful handling. It's expensive and it can change the shape when overheated. Use it for baking or serving, not overheating, not heavy cooking. Number 5 is stainless steel. Stainless steel is safe, strong and doesn't add any taste or chemicals to food. It is used for worldwide and perfect for everyday cooking. Every pot has a purpose, so choose wisely for taste, health, and tradition.